Alright, welcome while you're in there. Today I'm changing out the orange turn signals to the smoke lens effect LED ones. I already did the one side, so I thought I'd make another video to do this side, only because the video is longer than I thought it wanted it to be. Anyway, remove these two screws. It is a T15 Torx bit. Take both of those out. Pull the lens out. Unclip your wire. Turn that to unclip to disengage the clips on a light. This you can set aside. Now these new turn signals do not have a clip to go into the stock harness, so I've got to cut the wires, cut this socket off, strip the wires back a bit, and hardwire it in. Not a big deal. Pretty easy to do. Just let me get just a little bit of tape off of here. On this wire loom, okay. And pull this loom off a little bit. Like so. Okay, so now I'm going to go back a few inches from the socket itself, just in case one day I gotta put this back on for some reason. It'll give me more room to strip it and work with it. So let's take all three of them and cut it. Okay. I don't have wire strippers with me. I can't find them, but there is a trick you can do with a lighter to get the sheath off the wires. Just burn the end a little bit. Doesn't take very long. And just pull it with your fingernails. It comes right off. I have done this with 0 gauge wire before, doing amps and stuff. It works, it just takes longer. These small wires, it just doesn't take long at all. Okay, so got 3 wires in the back of this. Black, red, and yellow. Black is going to go to black from that plug we just took off. I'm going to put this butt connector on there first. Don't have my wire crimps, but you can use channel locks, because all you're doing is smushing that metal down inside, so it holds the wire in there. Holds it good and tight. Alright. Put this next connector on. Crimp it down with my channel locks. It's good and tight. And the last wire here. The red, which is your hot wire. The instructions with this tells you to put a resistor in line with this hot wire. I'm not doing that because that resistor is for hyper flash. Well, I just put a new multi-function switch on the steering column, and I got an LED rated flasher relay. So I already put it in, tested it, it works. No more hyper flash. Let me grab my little instruction book here, because I forgot where the wires go already. Alright, so this white wire, it kind of looks pink or beige. Call it pink. The white wire is going to get connected to the turn signal yellow wire. I didn't give myself much room to work with that wire there. So we're going to crimp the yellow wire onto this pink beige wire. If I can get it to stay in place for me. Oh, it's coming apart on me. Let's get this yellow wire back on this beige wire. Crimp it down. Good and tight. It's good. Alright. So the black wire on a turn signal is going to go to the other black wire on the Jeep. Get it in the connector. We'll come back, we'll crimp it down. Like so. Give it a little tug, make sure it's tight. And then the red wire in the turn signal is going to go to the black and yellow wire on the Jeep. So, twist that wire a bit. Red wire goes to the black and yellow. And then we will crimp it down. Like so. It's good and tight. I'm going to take some tape, electrical tape, wrap this up so no moisture or water, dirt gets in there, start corroding it. I might even have to do this from the other side. I don't have much room. I think that's what I'm going to do. So anyhow, feed your wire back through. Now this will only go in one direction. That's the wrong way, so my holes don't line up, if you can see that. So just flip it 180 degrees. Set it like that. The new lights do come with new screws that are black. This brand is Hook Road Smoked Lens Turn Signal. I found these on Amazon. They are LED. They're really cheap. I think they're only like $20. But they look way better than the orange factory style. And I'm changing the headlights out to a smoke lens. There'll be a video on that too on this channel. Install video. But just snug these up. Don't go crazy tight because you don't want to crack the plastic lens. Okay. Now we'll go turn it on and see what it looks like. Ah, yeah, that looks nice. I really like that. Let's see the turn signal. I don't know if it's showing up good in here, but the actual light, the parking light is orange. But the blinking part is like on the outer edges of the orange, and it's actually white. So there's two different color lamps in those. But it looks good. So I'm going to go turn the signal back off, turn the lights off. And it's a nice, quick, easy install for that. It looks great. Way better than the orange. So please like and subscribe. I do lots of videos on Jeeps. Do-it-yourself work, save you thousands of dollars. So please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.